Good morning, dear student.
Morning, sir.
Okay. Today we will study chapter 9, Not Our Problem. Okay. Please sit down. And first of all, I will explain the chapter. Okay. So, please pay attention to understand it. Not our problem. Okay. The king of a small country sat with his advisor, eating honey on puffed rice. They talked of this and that. In this story, this is a comic story. Okay, and there is a king of a small country, and he is eating his feast with his advisor. Okay. So they talked each other. Next, the king, not paying attention to what he was doing, lets a drop of honey fell onto the window sill. Okay, so king is not paying attention what doing. Let a drop of honey fell onto the window sill. Okay. So next, oh, sir, let me wipe that up. Never mind, it is not our problem. The palace helpers will clean it. Okay. In this way, the one said, "Oh, sir, let me wipe up that." Means this wipe up this honey. Okay. Then other said that other will do this work. Okay, it is not our problem. So never mind it. It is not our problem. Okay. Then as the two continued to eat, the drop of honey slowly began to drip down the window sill. Okay, at last it will fall with a flop onto the street below. Then what happened? This all honey drop. Okay. Drop here. Drip means fall in drops. Drip means fall in drops. Plop means a soft sound like that of something solid dropping lightly. Okay. In this way, what happened? As the two continued to drop honey, slowly began to drip down the window sill. Okay. At last, it fell with the flop onto the street below again. Okay. So in this way, immediately, soon a fly landed on the drop of the honey and started its own meal. Then what happened? There is a honeybee. Okay. And honeybee flying landed this and make own meal. Have a own meal. Immediately a lizard sprang up with a flick of its long tongue, swallowed the fly. Then what happened? There is another things. Lizard came to swallow the fly. Okay, swallowed the fly. Yeah. Then what happened? But a cat saw the lizard and pounced on it. And there is a lizard, cat pounced on it. Then a dog sprang towards and attacked the cat, and there is also a dog to attack the cat also. Then what happened? There seems to be a cat, a dog fight in the street. Should we call someone to stop it? And there is a fighting between cat and dog. Never mind, it is not our problem. Then again, the said, never mind, this is not our problem. Meanwhile, the cat's owner arrived and beat the dog with a stick. The dog's owner ran up and began to throw stones at the cat. Soon they started fighting each other. And the owner of both cat and the dog stoned the dogs and cat, and they fighted with each other. Then what happened? Say there are two persons fighting in the street. Now shouldn't we send someone to break up this? Not a problem. And there is also said there is not a problem. The friends of the cat owners and the dog owners joined to cheer him on. Soon the both groups entered the fight and attacked each other. And there is a huge groups of both sides where we started to fight. Then what happened? A number of people are fighting in the street. Now perhaps should we call someone to stop them? It is not our problem. On the other side, this is not our problem. Now soldiers arrived on the scene. At the first, they tried to break up the fighting, but when they heard the cause of the fight, some sided the cat's owner and the other sided with the dog's owner. Soon the soldiers two hands had joined the fight with the soldiers involved. The fight turned into a civil war. Houses were burned down. People are harmed. The place where it set afire burned to the ground. Perhaps I was wrong. Perhaps the drop of honey was our problem. The king and the advisor stood looking at the ruins. That what happens? A small mistake will make a bigger disaster. So we take our problem, and each little problem make our time in difficult situation. In this way, dear students, I have explained. This is explanation. This is not our problem. We solve every and each single problem. Okay, whether it is big or small or little. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.